Hello, welcome back to TGNFX for another weekly market forecast of CADJPY and gold. We're having a JPY index price action. I'm using the paperstone as a source of data, and for me, I use both. I use the index, and I use also the future here, the future prices, and I'm gonna talk about both of them before talking about what I'm gonna be expecting on CADJPY. As we see, the JPY index show bearishness. We don't have any other data here, but as what we have, price has taken this sell side liquidity here, right? And we still have this range here from this high to this low, and price could retrace to this level before dropping lower, or maybe price, if we go to the daily time frame, price could just find some support here to continue lower from this fair value gap, or maybe price could retrace to the next fair value gap as what we have. But we are gonna be operating inside this range here on the daily time frame. First, as I said, I wanna see price to retrace to premium to these places here before dropping lower. But if price close below this low here or this low here, there is a high chance it's not gonna retrace to this level here. But as I said, on the weekly time frame, we have this range from this low to this high, and then on daily time frame I said we have this range from this high to this low, because based on the monthly, weekly, daily sequential, what we have weekly bearish and daily is bearish. So I'm gonna be using daily trading range, daily discounted premium range, because they are in sync. But if price, let's assume that the weekly is bearish but the daily is bullish, I'm gonna be selling. If I want to be a seller, I'm gonna wait for the weekly premium, for the levels that are inside the weekly premium. I'm gonna be waiting for the weekly levels that are inside the weekly premium, or the daily levels that are nested in those weekly levels. Do you understand? If 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 price is bullish and it make a break of market structure confirming daily bullishness, I'm going to be selling here inside those weekly levels on all the daily levels that are nested in this premium range, right? But now I'm using this range from this high to this low. I want to see price retrace to this level, then drop slower, right? On the future prices, what we see? We see that the index has already taken this low here. As you see, this low from July's low has price already taken it here, or the bigger low here, the Friday's October price has already taken that low, but price, the October here on the future prices, we still not see price taking this low, and we have a confirmation for us if we do something like this. Is it checking? Okay. Price has taken buy side liquidity above this high, filling this fair value gap, then price break market structure. Yes, there is a higher chance also on the future prices that price could fill this fair value gap, this low and this high. Price could fill it to the breaker or to the order block here, and then we're gonna see bearish prices targeting this low here. The sell side liquidity below this low. And the COG is confirming that. The COG is confirming bearish prices for JPY, for Japanese yen future prices, JPY future prices, and we have our invalidation level above this high. So if price goes higher from this order block and take this high, there is a shift in marketplace for price to target this equal highs. But until then, we are expecting price to drop lower, and COT is confirming dash bearishness, right? So so that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting bearish JPY. As I'm expecting bearish JPY, I'm expecting any pair that is XXX JPY is going to be bullish and JPY XXX to be bearish, right? So as a CAD JPY, I'm expecting bullish prices. And also this COT of the CAD JPY is confirming of the CAD future prices is confirming bullishness. And what we have this weekly range. Price is inside this range here, as price has filled this fair value gap. Let me get rid of all of this. Price has filled this fair value gap right here, and then price is accumulating. So if price is bearish, I want to see price check this low. Otherwise, we are expecting bullishness from this monthly CB. The price has dropped to it, and I'm expecting a continuation high. Yes, price could just drop slower the next month, filling this fair value gap inside here, then continuation higher. That's fine. But for I'm not expecting that now. I'm gonna be looking for that once price check this level here as my invalidation level, right? And I'm expecting this buy side liquidity to be filled, to be taken. Have these equal highs or the triple highs just to be taken, right? Now on the daily time frame, what I'm seeing, let me change that. On the daily time frame, I'm having this range, this daily range, this low to this high. Right, price has retraced to equilibrium and it found some kind of support, but price could easily drop lower to this daily order block before going higher. And yes, at the equilibrium, price is feeling this daily PC here, and it's gonna be targeting this equal highs here, the buy side liquidity above these highs here. Right, and we have the daily PC that price has filled, and price could just continue dropping lower to for more discount prices at the daily order block. On the 4-hour time frame, what we are seeing, I want to see a confirmation where price is going. I want to see a break of market structure, and we could have price maybe fill this fair value gap, then drop lower to the daily order block, something like this, then a continuation higher. We could have that, but as price is inside this discount range, once price make a break of market structure as a confirmation, I'm gonna be looking some kind of bullish prices, targeting this fair value gap first, then this buy side liquidity. And I wanna see this high to be taken to confirm the bullishness first. On 1-hour time frame, we have a bullish area as price it took this low, then it went higher, but it still didn't take this high. Yeah, I'm sorry, I said bullish area, but I'm still waiting, as we could have this as an accumulation instead, and we could see some kind of lows to be taken, then a continuation higher. That's why I'm I need to wait for more confirmation to confirm either price is gonna be looking for bullish prices from this daily VC or just gonna drop to the daily order block. Otherwise, the IF is bullish, right? This is what I'm expecting on the CADJPY. On gold, what I'm expecting on the monthly time frame, what we see price has taken this buy side liquidity, and it is inside this range, this monthly range. From this low to this high, price has retraced to this daily order block. 50% of that of this monthly order block, I'm sorry, the 50% of the CE of the monthly order block to main threshold. And we see price has dropped first, filling this weekly fair value gap at optimal trade entry. This low here was as optimal trade entry. From this low to this high, as you see, price has went to optimal trade entry. It shows some support as the daily break market structure. We look for buy entries to this weekly CB. Then we were targeting this high, but the weekly CB has shown some resistance, and as the daily has broken lower, we look for bearish prices to take this sell side liquidity, filling this fair value gap. From this low to this high, price is filling that fair value gap, and we have a daily fair value gap inside that weekly fair value gap, and we have also a weekly order block that price could just drop into, filling also this the next weekly fair value gap. But don't you should be aware that we still expecting bullish prices, as this is our invalidation level. We are still expecting bullish prices, and as price is retracing to this cow, checking sell side liquidity, and once price break market structure higher on the daily time frame, confirming bullishness, I'm expecting price to continue higher. Otherwise, the weekly is bearish, is completely bearish. As you see, price it took this low, break of market structure below this low, another break of market structure below this low, inside the monthly range. This is the range from this low to this high. We are inside that. The monthly is still bullish. Monthly is still, we are still expecting bullish prices from the monthly time frame, right? And that's what we have. And if price first shows a break of market structure somewhere here inside this fair value gap here, or below this sell side liquidity at discount, because we are at discount, we're going to be targeting first this fair value gap, as price has taken external liquidity and retracing to an internal liquidity. This is the first target of us. The target is this highs here, but we're going to, if we are going to be taking partials, we want to take partials at this level here. On the daily time frame, what we see price is kind of consolidating. Price is dropping, then it shows this contraction candles, this contraction. We want to wait for an this contraction candles confirm that an expansion is going to be happen soon, when we don't know when that. That's why we want to see a confirmation. We want to see a price drops lower a little bit, then a break of market structure confirming that shift. Once it do that, we're going to be targeting first this weekly. There is a what is called weekly CV, right? Sorry,